How to recover deleted WhatsApp photos on iPhone. So here is a complete easy guide to recover deleted WhatsApp photos on iPhone, whether they were deleted from chats or your photos app. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Now, once in there, tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the WhatsApp settings. Now there, scroll down and you will get to see the chats option available. Tap on it. There, tap on the backup chats option available or chat backup and simply backup your deleted chat. Also, if it was deleted from your Photos app, then you can go to the recently deleted and recover it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.